Hi everyone, I'm Gabrielle from the Shoppers Beauty Pro team. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my essentials for a relaxing and restoring bath. For me, taking care of myself is really important, especially during these times, and my pampering routine starts in the bath. This bubble bath right here is amazing. It has a really fresh smell and it's formulated with natural extract to moisturize and soothe your skin. While I'm in the bath, I like to take the time to exfoliate my body. I love using a sponge like this one to remove dead skin. Exfoliation leaves your skin looking fresh and healthy and also helps any moisturizing products penetrate deeply into the skin afterwards. I also love putting a nice face mask while I'm soaking in the bath. Today, I'm going to be showing you 3 that I personally love. The first one is a sheet mask. I really love sheet masks for dry skin. If you're looking for something really hydrating, I really recommend this one, which contains both hyaluronic acid and vitamin B, great for retaining moisture and smoothing the look of your skin. The next one is a peel-off mask, which is a great option to really deep clean and tighten your pores. You don't need too much, just a thin layer so it dries nicely and then you could peel it off. And finally, the last one is your typical cream mask. This one absorbs excess oil and reduces the appearance of redness while improving your skin's texture. This one is my ultimate favorite for the bath time because you can leave it on for about 10 to 20 minutes while you soak and then wash it off with warm water. While you're at it with the face mask, why not do a hair mask? This one is so amazing. It's an intense moisture treatment that helps to bring shine to dry and damaged hair. I like to apply it to the ends of my hair and leave it on for about 20 minutes before rinsing it off. Once I'm out of the bath, I love following up my routine with a nice moisturizing body lotion. This one is my favorite because it smells so amazing. It has coconut oil and vanilla bean extract, which leaves my skin feeling super soft and really hydrated. Last of all, I treat myself with a really hydrating and nourishing lip balm. This one is my absolute favorite. It's really amazing for damaged and dry lips and leaves a nice glossy finish. And that's it for my ultimate bath routine. After following all these self-care steps, I'm always left super relaxed and restored. How are you guys taking care of yourself these days? Drop a comment down below and let us know some of your favorite pampering products. Happy pampering!